Alright, go ahead.
Good night, everybody. Here's my snake and alligator. They're nice. And this is a cobra snake.
And who gave that to you?
Uncle David gave me to us, and we should say you on film.
Yeah. Well, good night, family. What do you want to say, Haley?
Thank you for my present. And your stamp. And my stamp.
Let's say good night.
Good night. And your clothes. And my clothes.
And Connor, and your clothes.
I don't have any.
He gave you 2 shirts.
Oh, thank you for my clothes. Thank you for my clothes. And thank you for the snake. And
Because we sleep with it every night. And Connor, how many inches is it?
8.
Not 8.
80.
28.
20.
Yeah.
And he's my best bud.
What did you name him?
This one name is Cheese.
Is Seed?
No,
Haley, don't like Uncle David.
Mom, he said He. His name is He.
His name is He, and what's his snake's name?
His name is Viper.
Viper. Great name. Good night, Goggy, Googie.
And say good night to Buck. And Steve.
C.
And
Viper.
Viper.
And Haley's tongue.
Can I say good night?
She did. She even licked it.
No, no. You gotta say night to these.
Oh, Haley said goodnight to the alligator and the crocodile.
Oh, no, you.
Me?
Uh-huh.
Oh, you said, hey, good night, Mr. C and Viper. Thanks, Uncle David, because we have more to sleep with now.
Yeah, more.
Haley has a present in her nose for you. Gross.